Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. First things first, guys, we're going to be locking in the profits we have on the SPY puts. I'm going to be doing that right now here. Sell to close. Let's see here, let's see if we could get 7.50. Let's see. Having a quick move here. 7.42. See if I want to drop that down to 0.25, 7.4. There we go. Let's see. Sell to close. Wow, E-Trade Pro is already pretty slow here. Let me put on the other screen for you guys. Here we go. Place trade. Order status. Have that there for you guys to watch. It's pending still. Yep. Let's see. It's live. 731 by 766. That should fill any second now. You'll see here 759, 766. There she goes. She's dropping quick now. This is still live here, so that's showing you how slow this platform is, because it's at 8.02 last traded. This is saying it's still live. So it must be this platform here already starting off. ExxonMobil's doing really well today, up around 9%. Let me reopen this here. Order status. Still saying it's live. Now see, this is what comes up. The modified order quantity is greater than the leaves quantity of the original order. Verify that the original order has been executed. Well, see, on E-Trade Pro here, it's telling me that it's live. But this alert here is telling me that it's already executed. This is what I mean about these brokerage firms. You know, they're horrible. Horrible.
At the wrong time.
It's still showing that this is in my account. But let's see if I go to the website right now.
Corruption.
I just hate how, like, they have a business, you know? Why aren't they...
Don't they have to control the volume?
Did you tell them we're live in the trade room? Did you share the link with them? Nice. All right, so that's saying live here. I'm logging into the website now, seeing if that says anything different.
Shares of overstock spiking here. Oscar Sandy Tango Kilo. Silver futures spiking to the high, $14.98.
Now see here, it's telling me that the SPY is gone. It's sold. It's sold at 750.
35.30.
Now see, that's a crock of that one that expired yesterday. Worthless is in here as well. Here is the SPY put we just sold.
254 put March 27. We got in at 657, sold at 750.
Got in at 657, sold at 750. Yep.
Alert sent.
Text.
I sent it to Ayush. He gave me a thumbs up. trading was updated too.
So that's saying live on here, guys, but that's actually sold. Alrighty, let's get back to business here. Alrighty, so now let's see here. Oxy's having another nice day. OXY. Take a look at that chart there. Now I have this on something, so let me see if I could do it with this.
U.S. Department of Energy withdraws tender to buy crude for the Strategic Petroleum Reserve.
All right, guys, tell me if you could see this. All right. So, guys, what we're going to be looking for here, look at this. This $10, that's going to be base support, right? Is that coming up on your screen for you guys on YouTube? Let me know. So go, guys. Could you hear me now? Let me know if you could hear me. Sorry, the plug came out of the microphone there. Let me know if you guys could hear me. Going back to this now. Our
No.
give it needs 30 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
So take a look now. So here's target. Go, guys. Can you hear me now? There we go. Shut that off. Let me know if you can hear me. All right. So target number 2 is going to be right at around 27.50. So target 1, $15 on Oxy. It's just starting breakout momentum. Watch for that 10-20 cross. We might see that around 15 to 17.50. You know, 17.50 could be, you know, second target, third target, 27.50. So that's Oxy right there. That's what I'd be looking for with Oxy. So let me know what you guys think of the Oxy chart right there. It's still breaking higher. It's up over 10% right now. Our Oxy trade's up another 600 today, up 40%, 42% right now today. Let's see what else we got running. Facebook's having a nice run today, guys. Let's take a look at Facebook. We have the Facebook trade. Dow's getting a nice climb today, guys, up 500 points. That chart's looking nice. Now take a look at Facebook here. This is really important for Facebook. I want to share something with you guys.
BIACA, National Amusements, will not sell stock in buy it on CVS.
Alrighty, guys, take a look at this now. Let's do this
That's
annotation again. Alrighty. So take a look over here to the right at Facebook, right? You're going to see we had a beautiful support area at about 140. This was our support. Okay, so we had support at 140. Now we are entering back into that breakout momentum cycle. Okay, we had a big drop there. We have the MACD that just crossed. Now the 10 wants to go above the 20. Now, once we get that first candle above the 20 and we get that 10-20 cross, that's confirmation. But right now we could watch and we could say, okay, we got a nice trend higher here. You know, and our target profit areas are going to be, first one's going to be at right around 170. That's our target profit number 1. Our target profit area number 2, we're going to have right at around 190. So 170 to 190, that's where I'm expecting it within the next 30 days. Okay, so my target is so we have a target between 170 and 190. So if you guys could see that, our target's going to be right there, 170 to 190. That's our target for the next 30 days. It's at about 160 right now. Now our stop, take a look. This is really important. Our stop would be right here. Here's this little consolidation box right above the 10. If you got a candle below this, that's your stop. A candle below, let's say around 152, that's going to be your stop below that consolidation box. So Facebook, that's why we added to the Facebook trade the other day. Facebook is looking really great. We're up another $500 on our Facebook trade today. We're down 16% on that as of right now. That's for the April 17th 165 strike call. That's looking fantastic right now. I really like that setup. Guys, we got 82 viewers and only 17 likes. Can we get some more likes here, please? Otherwise, if you guys don't like this, with the, if you guys don't like this, what's that?
84 cents per share versus 47 cents year over year.
If you guys don't like this annotation and me going over the trade plan, then don't like it and I'll stop it. But if you guys like this education with the charts here, I got some new software that's allowing me to draw on these charts here. So if you guys like this, please give this video a thumbs up for me. Otherwise, I'll stop drawing on the charts here. It's just a waste of time for me, but I like teaching you guys the steps along the way here. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see. If this gets at least 75 likes, I'll keep doing this every single day for you guys. So let's see if we can get 75 likes on this YouTube video, and then if we do, I'll keep doing these annotations each day for us with our trades, which is really nice. And this is nice for the trade challenge because every trade that we have, we could go over our trades just like this, you know? After the market, during the market, you know? Wow, look at Oxy go. We're now up $1,000 on the Oxy trade. Look at Oxy to the left here go. I mean, look at this. This was beautiful support right here on Oxy at $10 a share. It's in breakout momentum right now. It just had the MACD cross, and now we're looking for that climb higher. Now our target, that's going to be target. Target's going to be right around 15. Moses said, can I like it again? How many accounts can I make, says Riley Burke. Vincenzo says, love it. Vincenzo Fiacco. Sounds Italian to me.
68. You give them a short little.
Yeah, we're at 67 likes, 96 viewers. Guys, if you like these annotations, share it on social media and like this. And we could go over all of our trades like this. And I think that'd help you guys tremendously. Guys, our trade challenge also is starting next week. If you're not a member yet, get signed up for the trade challenge. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Pro Trader. Alrighty, so back to this. Target on Oxy around 15 to 1750. You know, that's going to be the target profit area. 15 to 1750. Our Oxy trade's now up $1,200 for the day. That's amazing. That's incredible. I think we're going to see Oxy get a really big pop here in the next few days. I was thinking about adding to the Oxy. You know, I really was, yeah. What do you think?
Look at it. Cupping handle. Did you explain that? How that works? That big drop. It's going to fill.
Yeah. That's what I mean. I'd even say 1750 easy target. And look at how much it's up today. It's up $2 already almost. So it's almost at $14. Another $2 climb is going to bring it up to 16. What do we have on here? We have the Oxy April 17th 15 strike. See, now what I should do is get into some calls for this for next week's expo.
1750?
Yeah. Guys, if you like this educational stuff, give it a thumbs up. If we get to, if we get to 75 or 100 likes here, we could do this every day.
It's at 67 cents. Contract for next week. 17.
Slack. I locked in a profit on it, but let me see here. Yo, take a screenshot of this for me. Will someone take a screenshot of this right now for me so I can share it? Andre Belayan says, Dave, your instructions and analysis are the main reasons I follow you. Please keep doing this. I love your service. Thank you. John Pintillo says, why is the market popping with bad unemployment numbers? That's a great question, John, because we thought originally that this was going to last until June or July. That's why the market tanks so much. Now we're seeing, hey, here's the numbers. It's out. It's not a cat in the hat anymore. Or what's the phrase they say? You know, it's not hidden anymore. You know, it's out. So, you know, the numbers are out. And yeah, hotels are doing their bookings now for June, July. You know, so the numbers are out, and the big thing is Trump wants to get the economy back going. They just passed the stimulus. You know, all that really does is add to the deficit, and, you know, which is a big major concern here. But look at the call sweeps coming in on Facebook. Facebook's continuing to pop. I know, Facebook pulled back a little bit, but a lot of call sweeps coming in on Facebook. The Friday 175 strike call sweeps coming in. Oxy, Occidental Petroleum, right here. Take a look at that. The April 17th 10 strike put sweeps coming in. I wonder how I could get rid of one thing here. Okay, there we go. Nice. Let's see what this does here. So the Oxy trade, this would be a nice trade for, let's say, 30. Oh, let me change that. So this would be a nice trade for, Huh?
You need a spell time.
Yeah, I'll get that. So this is going to be a trade 30 to 90 days out. You know, 30 to 90 days out, I think this would be a nice trade here. And then your stop is the first candle below this 10. So if you got a candle below that 10, you're exiting that trade. So you already know your risk.
Mm-hmm.
You already know your stop. What's your target? If you got to trade 30 to 90 days out, I'd say targets between $17.50. $15 to $17.50. That'd be target. Sorry, I'm typing fast here, trying to do things. This is my first day doing this for you guys, but the Oxy trade, that's a nice 30 to 90 days out. Facebook, this is a perfect 90 plus days. You know, 90 plus days till Expo, and this is a nice setup right there. All right, let's go look at some other things here. So now you see how it looks like without any analysis, how I just took that off.
Oh, man,
and then you look at our drawings on there, and it's a totally different ball game. You know, you could visualize what you could see happening, and then you use and utilize our trade plan for your stops, your exits, and your targets. And we're using support resistance areas, you know, and getting a feel for the market, what's going on.
So anytime you see a chart like that, all those layers that you just added, you should be able to identify that right away.
Yeah, you'll build that. Yeah.
You
Once you start doing that
seeing
often, you'll start seeing exactly what the market's doing.
The more reps you do, the more you
Exactly.
identify those quickly.
Yep.
Consistency.
Alrighty, let's take a look at.
Trust the process.
Oh, guys, speaking of it.
With shirts.
Yeah, what do you think of those? Did you like those?
Yeah.
Let me see here. Guys, take a look. Here's the shirts we just got. Here's one color. Let me know what you guys think of this shirt here. Let me know in the chat on YouTube if you guys like this shirt. We got that shirt. We got these polos. And we got the grayish shirts as well.
Official.
I like that. I like this one here, how it pops with that
The gold.
candles in the background. You know? What color do you like better there?
I didn't see the gold one. But the gold.
This?
Yeah, I like the gold.
Yeah, that's nice.
The gold for our break.
HAL.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Here, Hotel Alpha Lima, HAL.
I love that. John, I got, I think, 4 of them in 3XL. I'm between a 2X and a 3X, so if I lose weight, I'll take some of the 2X. If I decide to eat more McDonald's, I guess I'll be going with the 3X.
Hey, why don't we start doing some more? What do you think about that?
Yeah, why don't we start doing that?
Yeah.
Once I think they're going to be here next week, so
Next week?
we could start doing some giveaways, some shirt giveaways there. Sounds good to me. They love the shirts there. They even said they're going to buy some. Nice. Riley Berg said, how much? I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Thank you, Bob. They do. I got to send you yours, too. Let's see here.
IFMK, iFresh says on March 25th, and entered into agreement with Dengrong Zhu and Zhang Al investors. That's IFMK, and we have
That Oxy trade's looking so good. Facebook's getting another nice pickup here. Let's switch to the daily charts now, see if we can see anything good. Now see Facebook here, if that broke out, I'd be able to trade that back up to target resistance number 160.50, which is another $1.10 climb. Which if you look at the option chain here, if you look at the option chain here, we could go to columns, we could add the delta, and then we could look and see, okay, if we type in Facebook, watch this, they're going to love this now, watch this thing. So call expiration, let's say March 27th, and let's see the 160 strike call. That's going for about that. So watch, I got to do this quick, the numbers are changing quick. So what I want to do and show you guys right here quickly. So if we have 160.5 as target for a day trade now. If this is a day trade, 159.20 to 160.3, that's a $1.30 climb from where it's at, right? A $1.30 climb. Okay, so now it's $1.40. So let's just say $1.30. If this has a delta of 0.491, right? 0.491, multiply that by 1.4. That's we put 1.3 up there. So 1.3, multiply that by 0.491, and that's a 64-cent increase. So if this is at 347, right? Let's say 347. Okay? And this increases by 64 cents. Okay? 3.47 plus 0.64. That means these contracts will be worth 4.11. Okay? So now, if you paid 3.47 for them, right? If you paid 3.47, they're now worth 4.11. 4.11, divide that by 3.47. That's a quick realized gain of 18.44%. So you see now how we could use the option chain, the deltas, the Greeks of options, to analyze and calculate what our gain would be if we entered into that trade right here. Remember that? And then if we got to our target. So if we went from there to our target and we got in when it was 3.47, and with that delta of 0.491 and the move from, what was it at, 159 point whatever, 159.2 up to 160.5, that's a $1.30 gain from here to here is a $1.30 move. So a $1.30 move, multiply that by your delta, so you have your 1.30, multiply that by your delta of 0.491, that's 64 cents. 64 cents added to what you paid is 4.11. So if you sold it for 4.11, you bought it for 3.47, that's an 18.44% return on that day trade. So you just made a quick day trade. There goes Facebook. It just reached your target. So in 5 freaking minutes there, you just made an 18% gain in 5 minutes. You have $1,000 on that trade. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but $1,000 isn't much. Yeah. And this is following our trade plan. You're in breakout momentum. Look at this. This is why we just did this. You're in breakout momentum right here. This is the breakout momentum cycle, or phase, I should say, within the cycle that's starting. So it just reached your target in 5 minutes and you made 18%. And that's what we just went over on the live camera here. So if you guys like that, that's what I mean. Now watch, I could clear this out. If you want to take a picture of this or something, you should take a a short little clip of this video here. This was great instructional video. But like I said, you entered right here, right? When it was 3.47, you were able to calculate it with your delta and your target using our trade plan. And then you're able to watch for your exits, your targets, your stops with the trade plan. And in 5 minutes, you bought it at 347, you sold it at 4.11. It's easy. So, how did you guys like that instructional video? If you liked that, please give this video a like here. If we get up to 100 likes, I could do this every single day for you guys. Let's get that going. Facebook still continuing to rise for the day. So notice there how we got right up to. Now here's the other thing you're going to be looking at now on Facebook. So on Facebook, you're going to be looking right here right now. You got your resistance for the day. Your resistance for the day right now is there, and here is your support.
Company's CEO says some customers are seeking deferrals, pushing back.
So there you go already. Now you got your resistance, your support, and now what you're watching for here is the breakout momentum. See if it goes up. Oh. See, it goes up. Now let's see if we bounce off that 10 SMA and continue higher here. So always important, draw your support, draw your resistance, and know your trade plan. So that's what you're watching for on Facebook right now. And once you've been trading this trade plan for a while, you're going to be able to visualize that every time you look at a chart. All right, let's see here. What's that?
For some comments.
What's that?
Comments. John Patillo says Dave is a living options and trading god.
Kevin said he just made 8% on Facebook in under 3 minutes. Nice job there.
Khalil Farms. Thank you for that. I understand Belton is better. Much better.
Karen Decker said great instructions. Thank you. Vincenzo Fiacco says awesome. Thank you. See, when I'm instructing, I'm not thinking about, like, yeah, I would have jumped in Facebook right there, but you see how, like, I'm standing up next to my computer here. Like, if you guys could see, this is how it looks like when I'm instructing. Let me change this so you guys could see. So when I'm instructing here, I'm going like this, and I'm going up here, going right here, and then I'm using this, and then watch, as I do this, let's say I want to draw something here, when I draw something here, it's going right on the thing here. So watch, I'll show you. I'll change the screens now so you guys can see. So when I'm drawing on that big TV, I don't have my set, like, I'm not right here, so I can't make a trade quick. And now maybe if I had my cell phone or something, or maybe if I had a laptop right here, or maybe on this computer I could put it, because this one I'm using for instructional right now. It's screen sharing here, so. No, it's all right. So, when I draw on that, then you guys will see it right here, like we just drew. So it's a really nice setup that we have. Now look at there how Facebook came down to that 10 and climbed. Now watch it at 160.5 as resistance. If it breaks that resistance for the day right there, she's going to head higher. So you got resistance. Do you want me annotate on here? Draw some.
Yeah.
Do you think that helps people out when I do the drawings? Okay, so.
This was a long-term trade you were mentioning, right? Okay, we're short trade this.
Kevin Colin says, Dave, the drawing is good. The concept of the instruction is great. With that, people can take it and run. But you still need my service, Kevin. So don't think you're going to take it, run, and leave me here. It came right down to that 10. Like our trade plan. And then it bounced higher. Now it's running. Now watch. You got resistance right here. If it breaks through that resistance... If it breaks through that resistance, she's going to have another nice climb.
To the next level.
To the next resistance. But see now how it's pulling back again? It's kind of doing a double top here on a today 1 minute chart. So...
Austria rejects Eurobonds.
So watch what it does there. Guys, hit that like button, please, if you like these instructions. We get 100 likes on this video. I'm going to start doing this every day here. You're not going to be going home neither. You're going to be here every day too, All right.
Josh Ramsey goes, David John, show how you think, man.
Kevin says, what I'm saying is people can start to think about the trades that we make with our trade plan. So that's beautiful, yeah.
Affect demand for commodities, products that the company transports. That's
Trade
probably
challenge
Sammy
next
X-ray,
week. Small
CSX.
accounts.
Yep.
No risk.
That is in an 8K
Yo.
filing from the company, CSX.
Chat. Sign up links. Post them. Let's go. Guys, if you're not with us yet, you could come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Sign up for the Pro Trader package. Because now that we're getting everything going here, you know, wait till you see what we're going to be doing. Trade challenge starting next week. Excited for that. There goes Facebook again off that 10 SMA. Let's see if it can hold it. Definitely looks like Diamond's going to start breaking out now. I like the looks of that. I was thinking about jumping into some Diamond calls for like a month or two out. I was really thinking about making a nice swing trade on some Diamond calls. Even thinking about doing that as a trade challenge trade. I think we're going to start getting a nice pop from here. Let me redo this microphone quick. Guys hear me fine now? If you could hear me after I just said this, please in the trade room say we can hear you, or on the YouTube chat here.
That's what the sound comes in.
All right, great. I like the looks of that Diamond ETF here as well.
Yep.
Yeah, great.
Shares of GameStop, GME GameStop at the highs now ahead of earnings after the close today. Golf My Glyco.
Now, if we look at that daily chart on Facebook there, like I said before, That's what I want to focus in on here. Let me get this annotation thing going. Let's do another little drawing here.
That's a hit.
So, again, what we're looking for here on Facebook. Well, first let's say right here on the diamond.
At 10:30, natural gas storage. A draw of 25 BCF is expected.
That's going to be our target. Nice target. That's 30 to 60 days. 30 to 60 days for the 240 to 250 target. So obviously what we're expecting here is a run higher here on the Diamond ETF. Now here's where your stop would be. Your stop is going to be the first candle below right here. So your stop area is going to be your first candle below that area. Okay, so that's on the diamond. So the diamond looks like it's going to start breaking out here. And if you could see, we also got the confirmation here. The MACD. MACD is already crossing as well. There's our MACD cross. That is a check. We got our first candle above the 10. That's our second check. And now our third check would be a candle above the 20 SMA, the blue 20 SMA there on a daily chart. So that is for the diamond chart, diamond daily.
Well,
Alrighty.
President Mount Access Bank and Bank Board finalizing additional aid package to focus on broader economic consequences of the coronavirus.
If you got into a call on Facebook, your stop's going to be the first candle below 150. On this Facebook daily chart here, this is what you're looking for. A continued run within that channel, and your stop, you already know your stop. Stop is going to be 150. All right, now where's your target profit area? Your target profit area is going to be resistance number 1, resistance number 2. Resistance number 1 is going to be right at around 170. We'll put that as T1 for target 1 so we don't take up too much space there. Your target number 2 is going to be 190. So that's your target 2, T2. So you know now.
Trade advisor Navarro says sending everything we can to New York to help with coronavirus. That in a Fox interview.
Profit area. Your profit area is between 170 and 190. So if you enter calls right here, if you enter calls, I would do something for 30 to 60 days out. So 30 to 60 days till Expo. Okay, so you have 30 to 60 days until Expo, and your target is going to be So your target is going to be 170 to 190. Here is your channel right here. This is the channel you're watching for. And you already know your stop is going to be right here at 150. So there's your stop. There's your target. And you know where to enter the trade. You know where to exit the trade. And you have confirmation right here on your MACD. There's one check. First candle above the 10. Second check. Now a candle above the blue 20 SMA here would be second check, or third check I should say, or the 1020 cross. So again, with our trade plan, you need 3 confirmations for an official trade. Now we could enter here prematurely as we could see what's going on because we've been doing this for a while, but this is what we're looking for. And then we could use the option chains there and use the Greeks of trading and find out our target. If we want to make a day trade, we could quickly figure out what our target would be on a day trade. Whether it's a 5-minute trade or a 20-minute trade or a 2-hour trade. We could calculate that using the option chain and using the Greeks of trading for that. So if you guys like this instructional video, please give this a thumbs up and share it on social media. I need to grow my following, and if you guys are liking this, I'd really appreciate that. Trades are looking great so far still. Look at that Dow here. Look at the Diamond ETF still on the climb. Looking good. Let's see here. ExxonMobil. Look at ExxonMobil today. Our ExxonMobil trade's taken off nicely. You guys want me analyze the ExxonMobil chart here as well? Because we do have a pretty decent sized trade on ExxonMobil of about 4,000. And we said we were going to add to that as well. Let me know if you guys want me to go over ExxonMobil.
Yeah, we're on there. We're in that trade.
Yeah.
Would you be able to make it one chart and then right on the side?
Yeah.
Instead,
Huh?
instead of making clutter?
Yeah. Could do that.
It's perfect.
Look at ExxonMobil still running at today's height. So that's a daily chart. Let's go to today 1 minute. Look at that today 1 minute chart on ExxonMobil here. Now we could analyze the crap out of this. Look at the... man, do you see what I see on ExxonMobil right here? Do you see that with the trade plan? Do you see that?
You just explained it. Is that the Facebook thing?
No, that's ExxonMobil. It's just like Facebook though, isn't it? See how they follow our trade plan to a T.
Yep.
To a T.
Yep.
That's amazing. And there goes ExxonMobil still climbing. Tim Thomas says, I understand T1 selection. What is the criteria for T2? So target 1 and target 2. That's the next resistance areas. Wow, look at ExxonMobil go there, guys. Another 20-cent climb there. Wow. Nice run. Nice run there. Guys, if you're liking these instructional videos, please give this a thumbs up. We're at 91 likes. I want to get this to 100, and we could do these daily.
And Dave, that ExxonMobil.
SDC, Smile Direct, April
That's
6th,
far out.
Wall Street now.
Yeah, the ExxonMobil is June 19th. You know,
Would you since
we're up
it's
22% on that today.
Since it's booming, would you look into just exiting, or would you
Well,
let it ride out?
I'm going to ride it out a little bit longer. I think this is easily going to get to 40. I think it might even get to 40 today. Now, if it gets to 40 today, remember, 40 was our first target. Now, what was our second target profit? We said 40 was our first. Yesterday, I had you sent out the alert.
Yep.
What's our second target? You wrote it.
43?
No. 45.
45.
So that's going to be a nice setup there. I think we're easily going to get to 45. You know, we paid $3.14 for that June 19th 40 strike call. You know, it's at $3.50 now. I think that's easily going to be worth $6. Easily. I think that's going to be worth $6. That's over a 90% gain. And that's why we made a $3,500 trade on that. You know, I wanted to add to it because I want to get that to about a $10,000 trade. Because that's a really nice looking chart there. It's looking great. You see the MACD there. Everything's looking great with that. Zamboni says, can we look at Ulta? My Ulta trade is down. It's down 90%. That's for the April 17th. You know, here was our consolidation box. Remember? I said, hey, if we get a break above that, you know, we were going to look to exit. That would be your exit signal. I held on to mine. I have so many trades open here. You know, I held on to that. But a candle above that consolidation box, that was your exit. This candle here means it opened here, closed down here. So it still was within the consolidation box by the end of the day. And then your first breakout right here, that's your exit. Went from 160 to 200 really quick there. And again, with our trade plan, you could see that. I got to exit some of these positions. That's why we're with the trade challenge. That's going to be a separate thing. Look at Oxy still go. Let's see. We got RCL June 19th 45 calls.
IMS Georgieva says emerging markets are our main focus.
Delta is looking fantastic today. Did you see Delta? Now, if Ulta fails at this 20, it's going to head lower, maybe back down to 165. But right now, you got the MACD cross, and it's in breakout momentum. Let's look at Delta. Delta looks like this is going to get back up to at least 40 really quick here. Yeah, Delta's got some room to run. 45. I mean, 45 is the next, literally the next resistance area. So we still got an $11 climb until we get up there. So that Delta trade, we have the Delta. Well, we have the Delta April 17th. That's almost green now too. You guys are almost green on your Delta trade. No one's giving this a like here. We're at 93 likes, guys. If you like these instructional videos, please give this a like here and share on social media. I want to get to 100 likes. Delta's still running there. Wow.
SDC, Smile Direct, another sweep, April $5 call on Smile Direct. Sandy Delta Charlie.
I'm looking at the watch list above here. The banks are starting to break out. Remember we started talking about the banks yesterday on live? Mm-hmm. Now look at this. Look at Bank of America right here. Look at how it's curving the 10-day, right? Notice how that's starting to curve. The 10's starting to climb. You got the MACD cross here. You know, this is a beautiful chart right here. I think I'm going to make a trade on Bank of America right now.
On Boeing. IMS Georgieva says ask
25. We're going to be looking at 25 as target. Now watch. So if we have, let me put Bank of America over here. So I could put this right here. Okay, now this is going to be really nice. All right, guys, so here's Bank of America. Here's a trade idea on Bank of America. Trade idea. Let's do this together here. So right now, let me get the microphone or they're going to be saying they can't hear me. Alrighty, so right now, we're going to be looking at 25 as target. So 25 is going to be our target. Okay? Now, if it's at, right now, it's at 22.22. So 25, our target, minus, so That's 2.78. Right? Am I right? Is that 2.78? Yes, it is, right? I want you guys play along here. Learn along here while we're going. So 25 minus 22.22 is 2.78. Well, now let's put, oh my God, I have to cancel that out now. I forgot to put BAC here on this. That was my mistake. All right, let's do that again quick. Let's say the May 15th or the April 17th. Let's do that. Let's add the column here. We're going to add the delta. Add. Okay. Now we got our delta there. All right, now let's do this.
SDC on that repeat full buying.
Alrighty, so again, if we have
$4.83, 12% for SDC. Seeing the April 3rd $5 sweep now. And Smile Direct SDC. Shares of Boeing, $184 now on BA Boeing.
Wow, Boeing's at $184. So if your target is $25, right? So 25.
Smile Direct shares now over 5.
And then it's at 22.16 now. Okay, it's at, that's the current price. Okay, so that is 2.84.
Coming up, natural gas storage in 1 minute. Consensus is a draw of 25 BCF.
So 2.84, that's the difference between the current price and where we're going. Okay, so the current price to where we're going. Now let's take a look. Now if we got the 22 strike, let's say the 2250 strike call, right? If we got the 2250 strike call, it has a delta of 0.514 delta. Okay, so 0.514 delta, and it theoretically was at 1.67. So if you bought this at 1.67, that's how much that's going for right now, right here, theoretically. Okay, so at 1.67, that's what you're going to pay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take
29 BCF, which is the 25 expected on natural gas.
We're going to take the difference between our current price and where we're going. So 2.84, multiply that by our delta. So 2.84, multiply that by 0.514. That equals what this is going to increase in value. So now I sit down my calculator. 2.84, multiply that by 0.514. That means this is going to increase in value by 1.46 cents. So this is the increase. That is the increase in value. So, if we paid 1.67, 1.67 plus 1.67 plus 1.46, that equals 3.13. So, that equals 3.13. So, if you paid 167 and it's now worth 3.13, that is a 3.13. Divide that by 1.67. That is an 87.43 That is an 87% gain you're looking for. And that is from simply so that's simply saying from the current price, if we get up to our target price, current price to target price, that's an increase in 2.84 from 22.16 to 25, right? So from 22.16 to 25, that's an increase in 2.84. Okay, we could pick up that 22.50 strike call for $1.67 if it increased by $2.84, the underlying stock, the equity, Bank of America. So if it got up to $25, it's going to increase by $2.84 where it's at. We take that $2.84, multiply that by the delta. Delta was 0.514, so we multiply 2.84 by 0.514, and that gives us how much it's going to increase, which is $1.46. We paid $1.47 for it. So $1.67 and $1.46. That means this contract is now worth $3.13. So if we sell it for $3.13, we bought it for $1.67. That comes out to an 87% gain right there. So it's really simple how you're coming to that. You know, you're taking your target and you're multiplying that by the delta, and then you're adding that to the contract price you paid per contract, the premium per contract that you paid. So the $1.46 plus $1.67 is $3.13. So that thing that you paid $1.67 for is now worth $3.13. So $167 for one contract is now worth $313. So that's a trade idea on Bank of America. Did you write that down and send that out?
Trade idea, the 25 call?
The 22.50 strike call at $1.66 right now. That's a nice setup. Let's get that sent out. That's a beautiful trade idea right there. So what did you guys think of that explanation and how we do things there? Honestly, do you like that type of stuff? I'm back at the desk right now. What do you think of that? I want to know first because I need to know what I'm going to do on a daily basis here. So I want to know if you guys like that or if you like what we did yesterday better. You know, tell me what is best for you guys. I want to know in the YouTube chat right now and in the Breaking Chart Alerts page here. Tell me. I'd like to know. I'm going to put this on pause for a second and use the restroom quick. So when I get back, I want to see the answers to that. I want to see what you guys think. Do you guys like these instructional videos with the annotation, or do you just want to trade like we did yesterday? Tell me on the chat below. Alrighty, guys.
Disaster declaration.
Let's see.
Approved by the president.
Turn it down there. Turn it back down.
Thank you, Tom. Appreciate that. Andre, thank you. Do you think they like those live educational things or no? I don't know why only a couple of them like it though. Like we got 102 people watching. I think 102 people should like it. I'm live, yeah.
They love it. Oh, they love it.
Look at Oxy going. RCL's climbing. Delta's climbing. Amazon. Let's see RCL here.
And we're still.
See, once RCL breaks that 20 SMA here, then I'll add to that trade. We have the RCL June 19th 45 strike call. You hear me? Do you understand? We're going to add to it once it breaks above that daily 20 SMA here on the daily chart.
We're ready.
Guys, if you guys want to come join us, this is where you want to go, breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us. If you have questions right here, I have a live agent with us right now. If you guys have any questions about our product, go right here. You know what? I can even annotate on my own website now. breakingchartalerts.com. If you have questions, you click right here, live support, and I have an agent right here that'll help you. Just go in there, and then you could come join us in the trade room, and you guys, for the afternoon session at 2 p.m., 2 p.m., we go live only on our website right here. So make sure you get that and sign up. Oxy's still on the run there. RCL's doing great. ExxonMobil's looking nice. Let me see VLO here. VLO is just starting to climb here as well. So as you can see, this was just in pure BDM. I mean, that was just in pure BDM here this entire time. Let me get rid of that. That looked... It goes back further, but I just want to share with you guys the channel here. So there's the channel. And you guys could be looking for breakout momentum now. The MACD, it's looking good. And see how we're able to call it close to a bottom? 31 bucks was the bottom. It's at 42 now. Target number 1's going to be around 70. Target 2 around 80. Target 1's going to be at 50. That's a nice setup though right there. I like the looks of that. This is nice. We were going over the consolidation box, I guess, on this. I don't remember. This is back from early March. We were talking about consolidation. If we broke above consolidation, we were going to run. If we broke below it, we were going to drop. So that was nice right there. Let's see, what else do we have? Disney's on the climb. Look at Disney. That's going to be a nice chart setup right there.
You're not in there yet?
Yeah. Look at Oxy go right now. Wow, we're up 1,100 bucks on Oxy today. Oh, XY. Look at that chart on Oxy. I mean, that doesn't get any better looking than that right there. That's confirmation, yeah. I mean, not an official trade alert confirmation because
No.
we didn't have the 1020 cross yet, but for an experienced trader like myself that knows the trade plan that I
We'll get
created,
into that.
I know some early entries here, and that looks like a heck of an early entry on Oxy. I like that setup quite a bit. Michael Ballard says Snap is still on the rise. Can you do a quick review on it?
U.S. NAIR's rule change to restrict Huawei's global chips.
Oh,
for
Snap
IMF
looks
operators.
fantastic here as well. That's right at resistance right now at about 12 bucks. 12 bucks is resistance. Number 2 is going to be 14. So if it breaks through 12, let's say it gets to 12.50, I'd be looking at 14 as my target all day. And that's an easy, quick 100% gain with options if you're doing a short term 30 days or less till Expo. You know, that's a beautiful setup right there. Letitia Gonzalez says, great explanation. You make it look really simple. It really is simple. And if you guys want a class with us, you guys could message us. Message us right now if you guys are interested in the classes, Breaking Chart Alerts. And you guys could go to our Facebook business page. And let's see where it is here. Let me share it with you. Here is our Facebook business page, Breaking Chart Alerts. If you guys just click in Breaking Chart Alerts, go here, send us a message. You could use our app. Excuse me. You guys could message us here. You guys could use our app here. You could sign up for our service here. But if you guys have any questions, if you want to sign up for one of our classes, if you have a question about our service, about anything, if you want to take part of our trade challenge, message us here on Facebook because our agents will be here to answer your questions. I have some highly trained people here that'll help you get started. So Facebook, Breaking Chart Alerts, and then you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com and sign up.
I was just about to say bless you again because it's delayed.
Oh, that's funny.
Just make sure the audio is good.
How long of a delay is it? About 30 seconds? Yeah. I'm looking at the watch list above here. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, some nice setups. That Apple, I should have held that Apple trade. Oh no, we sold it yesterday higher than where it's at now. That's nice.
Yeah, we did.
AMD still looking good. It's consolidating though. Amazon still looking good, still within the channel. APC, Baba's looking nice. Won't go near no Chinese stocks now. Bank of America looks great. It really does. As a matter of fact, I gotta make a trade on it right now for the one that we talked about. Did you send out that trade ID alert?
Yes, sir.
You did.
Alert and Texas were sent out.
And you sent out the target and the stop areas on it, right? That I went over on the video.
Just the picture.
So you got to take the notes when you're here. You watch me do that. Take the notes, and then that trade idea, you know where the stop, target, and everything is. That way those alerts get out quick, fast, and have all the information they need. And that's fantastic. The text alert went out, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Text alert and the app. Alert.
Text alert, app alert went out. Great. Great idea. Great job, guys.
G20 leaders say they are ready to strengthen global financial safety nets, call for more private sector coordination. Russia's Putin suggests creating special fund under IMF control to fight the coronavirus.
Walmart's going to be a nice buy. I'm looking at that chart there. That's going to be a hell of a buy once that bottoms out. Let me see what else I want to go over here. Citigroup not looking bad either. CMG is consolidating a little bit. There's some nice chart setups here. Look at DBX holding that 10. Disney looks really nice here. GE is looking fantastic. Look at the GE. That's a nice looking chart. Got to that double bottom again. Double bottom from back in end of 2018. Wow. December of 2018.
Sorry, I'm taking care of shit.
Oh no, I'm talking to myself there. I was thinking. Brother was still around then, you know. Wow. Yeah, I miss him.
Italy's debt ratio could easily reach 145% of GDP within the next
Oh,
year.
look at the climb in gold. Got back above $20. Did we sell that yesterday? Or we still got it? I think we sold that yesterday, didn't we? We sold it yesterday, right? Yeah, we did. Oh. What did we sell it at yesterday? And what do we have so I could take a quick look?
It wasn't an official order. I don't see gold
It was
on
for the
there.
January 2021.
No,
Death toll in India from the coronavirus now at 16 total cases,
Sounds funny.
694.
We got him there like 2 weeks ago.
I don't remember what date we got it. It was on the thing when I sent it out yesterday. It said the opening date, the closing
20
date.
leaders say confident
I just
we'll
don't feel
overcome
like
this
looking
together.
for it.
I don't see it.
It's in the trade room from yesterday. Remember the profits for the day?
But as far as an alert,
Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I know we made it. Bank of America. There goes Bank of America again. Okay, I said I was going to make that Bank of America trade. I'm going to make that before we cut out for the day here.
an official.
What expiration did I give you on that trade idea? Huh?
17.
4/17?
22.50.
April 17th? I gave that. Maybe I'll go out to May 15th.
Same export. I mean, same 22.50.
No, the 22. It would be the 22 or 23. I'll
China's
probably go with the
Foreign Ministry
23.
says company is implementing $344 billion of mainly fiscal measures on the coronavirus fight.
Let's see, June.
That from China's Foreign Ministry.
See, I like that little extra time there. Maybe I'll go with the June. That should be an easy one. Call. Expiration June 19th. We'll pick up the 22
Speaker Pelosi now
strike.
holding a press conference.
Wait, let's wait until Pelosi talks here. Let's see what's going on, what she's going to say. But that's what we're going to be looking at here. 22 strike for round 2. 2.72. 2 points.
16.
Huh? Yeah. June 19th.
Target.
The 22 strike call.
Target's 25.
Target is 25 to 27.50. Stop is going to be the first candle below the 10 SMA. First close with body below, the entire body below the 10 SMA.
First candle below.
10 SMA on a daily chart.
Got it.
Let me know once you send that out, and then I'll make
You
it.
want me to send it, or are you gonna wait for Pelosi?
Let's see here. I want to see. We're in a little consolidation here.
Down to the back a little bit.
It's climbing now. All right, I'm entering.
That's right.
Yeah, 10 contracts. Let's see. I placed the order. Didn't go through yet. Order status. It's live. 74 by 76. I'm in at 74.
24.
I could. Well, no, I'm not in yet. I have the order in. Let's see. I'll put it at 78. Let's see if it changes. All right, I'm in at 2.78.
78.
Yep.
BAC 22 strike call June 19 278 entry.
Mm-hmm.
House Speaker Pelosi says the Senate bill is about mitigation. Says feels strongly that we will have a strong bipartisan vote.
Did he see that yet on your end or no?
Who?
Team BCA.
He should have.
Huh?
He should.
In the Team BCA. Don't tell me you should have. Does it show on your end
That he said.
that he saw it?
Let me check. I sent those first. No, it doesn't show yet. It shows when I told him there was one coming out.
He's like, sir, what? I'm like, are you not working today? Do you not know what the hell you've been doing for the past year? He knows the schedule every day. Jesus Christ. See, this is what I mean. Operations have to go smoother. Operations have to go smoother. That's why I gave that schedule, everything. Everyone needs to be on that. Otherwise, I'd rather do it all myself, you know? because I know I could control what I do. You know, I can't control if he's not around or if I give a schedule, it's not done. I can't control that. But if I say, hey, I'm going to do it, I know I could work 24 hours a day to get things done. RCL. Our RCL trade's now in the green. Look at RCL go today, up over 7%.
Raytheon and Aerojet Rocketdyne strike $1 billion strategic sourcing.
Let's look at the daily chart on this. See, it still didn't break that 20. If it breaks that 20, I'm going to be adding to it. If it breaks $50, RCL that is, let's say it gets to 51, I'm going to be adding to it and looking at 80 as my target. And I'd probably go with something a little bit further out, maybe next year's Expo. But you remember, that just got an upgrade during that big downtrend. Trades are looking great today. That Oxy trade's going to be in the green next week. That's going to be nice because that was down 90%. Now we're back almost in the green on that. ExxonMobil's looking fantastic. Here's the ExxonMobil chart. I'm really going to be adding to that if we could break 40. If we break 40, I'm adding to that ExxonMobil trade for the June 19th Expo. Are you in the trade room? Yeah, everything's fine for you there?
Trade room, YouTube room.
How many people are in the trade room right now?
MSFT,
Huh?
Microsoft,
5.
announcing agreement to acquire certain networks to deliver new opportunities for a global 5G ecosystem. That's
Looking
MSFT.
great. I'm going to be adding to the ExxonMobil. Our Delta chart, our Delta trade's doing phenomenal. That came right back. That's going to be green if we get another green day like this tomorrow for Delta. It's almost at $35 right now. We have the 35 strike call for April 17th. It's amazing. Alrighty, guys. It's after 11 now, so I'm going to get off of here, get some things done for the trade challenge. That's going to be starting next week. If you guys didn't sign up yet, go to breakingchartalerts.com and come join us. You guys could go right here, breakingchartalerts.com, click join now. And if you want to join now, you go down here. If you want to take advantage of the best deal, professional trader 12 month, instead of $2,000, you're going to use you guys could sign up for the professional trader 2000, put in promo code LOYAL loyal. That'll give you 30% off, and this will be $1,400 instead of $2,000. So that's a big savings right there for you. Go sign up. Guys, if you have any questions, like I said, click right here. We are live right here. You guys could ask questions. You could, anything you need help with, we are right here. Oh, doing that with my mouse there. Alrighty, so guys, you want to come join us, breakingchartalerts.com, and we're going to be live right here in the afternoon 2 p.m. session. So I'll see you guys on there, and come join us, guys. www.breakingchartalerts.com. Use promo code LOYAL for 30% off our yearly package for the Pro Trader. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the trade room now, and we'll be live again at 2 p.m. Alrighty, guys. Bye-bye. Look at ExxonMobil running now. Another big run on ExxonMobil. Nice. Yeah, she's looking fantastic right there. That another run there on ExxonMobil, getting up to the day's high. Now, if it breaks that 38.71, then she's going to be going for $40. Look at that climb, already up $600 on it today. Alrighty, guys, come join us, get signed up, and I will see you in the trade room and on the live video in the afternoon. Take care, guys. And if you like this video, the instructions today, make sure you rewatch it. Make sure you like it. Share it on social media. Do a favor for me. I'd love that. Alrighty, guys. See you in the afternoon and in the trade room.